All right, my name is Willink Dovilis. I'm just gonna show you how you can do something in mathematics without only by hand. When you got your hand, you can do everything you want. Okay, and let's go and see. And we got two hands. You see how many fingers? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then if you want, or if we want to start on 9 by 1, this is equal. All right. When I say 9 by 1, this is the first one because I say 1, I take the first one down. Okay. When I take the first one down, how many stay? How many you see right now? We got only 9. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9. That means 9. If we do 9 by 2, equal. We got on second. That's 2. When you say 2, 2. We got on 2. We're gonna open this and put this down. You see? Okay. I'm on 2 right now. We got only 1 stay on that side. Okay. We put that one here. And then how many on the other side right now? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That easy. You see? If you do 9 by 2, this is 18. We got 9, 3. We got on 3 right now. We put this up and we put that one. We put the 3 one down. Okay. How many on that side? 2. Okay, how many on that side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 9, 4. We on 4 right now. We put 4 down. How many on that side? 3. Okay, how many on that side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. If you do 9 by 4, that's 36. We on that side now. 9, 5. We on 5 now. Okay. How many on that side? 4. How many on that side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9, 6. How many? We are on 6 now. That's 6. We put 6 down. Okay. How many on that side? 5. After 6, how many on that side? We got 4. Let's go. 7. We got on 7 now. We put 7 down. How many on that side? 6. Okay. How many after 7? 1, 2, 3. 6, 3. 9, 8. We put 8 down. Okay, how many on that side now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We put 7. How many on that side? 1, 2. 9 by 9. How many we got on 9 right now? We are on 9. How many on that side? How many? 8. You see where this 8 from? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because we are on 9 right now. How many left? 1. Done. Thank you. All right.